Today I am talking about the measurement of the orbit by portable analyzer, SKF AX-80 and two accelerometers and two channel and also the tachometer. With the correct setting for the line of resolution and the F max to take 10 revolutions for this the journal bearing of the motor of the cement mill. This motor have 4.5 megawatt. Here we can see the DE motor bearing, and also here we can see the non-drive motor bearing. We fixed the reflective tape in both the sides, non-drive and drive, and here we can see the sensors mounted in the horizontal direction and there in the vertical direction, y-axis. Here you can see where the tachometer mounting them. As we didn't mounted it in the horizontal direction, therefore we put in the vertical direction. And here I will show you some the cross section about this the bearing. This is in the another motor and also in the another bearing, but I want to show you the internal intersection of this bearing to see them, to understand how it is working. Where we have forced the oil system for these bearings. Here we will see the settings of these points, where we put them to take 10 revolutions. Here we set up with the samples 256, and this is the orbit and shaft center line settings. But we cannot measure them because we have not proximity probe, as we mentioned in the beginning. We used the accelerometer. Now we will see here in the non-drive of the motor. Go to the orbit plot. We see here in the raw data. We will make the filtering for the 1x and see them. We will zoom in to see the orbit direction and the elliptical them. From here we can see how this is the point come in the orbit and also in the time wave, as you see them here in the pointer of the mouse. Here we will see the y-axis and the x-axis in the same phase, but here when we go to the 2x filtering, we will see them out of phase, as we see here. Out phase directly. This is the deep analysis. We will provide him in another time. Now we will show you how you can take this reading only. This is the non-drive of the motor, and the drive end we will see it here now. You see this is the raw data. You can go to the filtering to 1x and make them to see. Now you will zoom in to see them. And so if you want to see the 2x filtering, see them in the opposite direction. You can go to see them here. And so if you want to see the X filtering here, you can see them it. As I have mentioned in the video, the deep analysis of this orbit, we will see them in the future. Also, as the shaft rotating inside the bearing, their reaction transfer to the cover of the bearing. Therefore, we measure this is the reaction of the movement shaft in the housing. Maybe not more accurate, but give you good indication how the shaft move inside the bearings. In the future, we will discuss deep analysis for the orbit. Thank you very much.